to show you how to play Rock Your Baby by George McCrae. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction. He plays through the introduction 4 times, but he starts off with an E-flat chord. We just roll the chord. E-flat, B-flat, G, B-flat, B-flat. E-flat chord is a black-white-black chord. E-flat, G, B-flat. So we're playing the E-flat and the B-flat down in the bass, and in the right hand, G, B-flat, E-flat. And we roll it. And then you can start the rhythm going right there if you want to, but I like to start it ahead of time so that you can just hit the So let's see what's going on right there. So you have that chord, and then in the right hand you're going to play a G and an E flat, and then an A flat and an F. So we're going to an F minor sound. F minor, kind of an F minor ninth sound, because you got a G in there too occasionally. So you get right here. So we're going to go to an E and a G flat, a G and an E flat, to an A flat and an F, and then we go to an A flat and a G, and then we use that F as a passing tone down to the E flat. So we go, twice we go F, E flat, back up to the F, and then we use E flat, F, G, and then E flat and G. So the right hand is going to go. Let me play it with two hands so you can see the note. Okay, and so with one hand, then we come all the way down to this A flat G to a fill. We'll fill with. Then we do it again. We do it 4 times. Now on the left hand, we're going to have an E flat and B flat, 2 open fifths. E flat and a B flat to an F and a C, parallel fifths. Back to the E flat and the B flat. Back to F. E da 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 D ba dee da da. So we're just going back and forth with the E flat and the B flat and the F and the C. So from here, there's your rolled chord, and then we go. Now this first time I go down to this A flat. Then we do it again. This time, on the second time, I'm going to go up to this A flat, so that I'm ready to hit that up an octave. That's when the trumpets, the brass, and the trombones come in. Play it again, A flat. And then we go to the melody. Now the melody is very simple. You got F, E flat, F, 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 E flat, E flat, rock your baby. That's E flat, B flat, C, E flat. Now what I'm doing there is I'm playing the ring finger, index finger, sliding my thumb underneath for the C and back to the E flat. And then we do it again. Rhythmically, you got to let this thing dance a little bit because it's gonna swing just a little bit, and then you get into the verse melody. Now that's the chorus melody, and here's the verse: C, G, F, F, E flat, G, F, 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 E flat, F, E flat, G, F, F, G, E flat, E flat, F, E flat, F, E flat, E flat, C, and then we're back to the chorus again. So with the bass in there, we're actually going to play an F minor ninth chord. going to play the F in the melody, so all I'm going to play in the left hand is A flat, C, and E flat. It fills out the chord. Then we go down to that E flat, B flat. It resolves down to the E flat chord. I'm going to show you, you can either go down to the A flat or up to the A flat. And sometimes I'll do one way and one the other way. What I like to do on this first time, I like to play it up and then down. So I'm in the same range for the melody. It sounds like I'm right there. And then we go from the C minor chord. So right there on that C, we have a C minor. C, E flat, G. Then to the F and the C, open fifth. Just walk it up. F, G, A flat, and E flat. This time don't hit the C. You don't need it. A flat and E flat, and there's your, see? There's your A flat 7 sound to a B flat. Now this is actually a B flat 9th chord because B flat F, A flat C. So when you get, you could actually make it all the way up to an 11. See, because you've got 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So all those notes are there over a B flat bass right there. Now if we put the rhythm with it, I'll play that far with the rhythm, and then we'll talk some more. But I've got this set on a pop straight 8-beat rhythm, and I've got it set at 107 beats per minute. So we come in with. I'm going to go up here. Sometimes, now on this thing, you got to wait for that beat to come through. And you can hear it coming with the rhythm in there. The melody changes just a little bit. He just stays on that C, then so G, F, F, E flat. Just changes the rhythm a little bit because of the words. And then it kind of swings this. And now there he kind of swings along with it. Then back to it. So that rhythm we've got is... doing a reprise chorus with an instrumental verse. So he sings the first part, "Woman, rock your baby." He sings that, and then during the verse part, it's just the instruments. He says, "Come on," and then it's just the instruments, and he ends with it. Ah! He ends with that ah right there, that high ah. So we'll just play it as it is. Into the tag chorus. Now for the tag chorus, he sings that first part, and then we go into a bass line. Now all the way through you hear this bass coming in. But I don't have the chords. If I play that bass, see it doesn't, and it's hard to synchronize the right hand with the left hand because it's awkward to synchronize those things. But when we get to the where he's just going, ah, there it works. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in there. Now you've got to go A flat, A flat, A flat, F, E flat, and then go right to the E flat, B flat. Now if you want to, you can just hit a single E flat there. If you want to, you can just hit a single E flat there. Or you can hit the E flat, B flat. I always try to hit the E flat, B flat just to give it a little more body, but you don't need it. So let's take it with the tag chorus. See that he plays the ah, he sings the ah, and the bass kicks in there, and then he comes back with rock your baby, rock your baby. But as the chorus extends, then we're going to go into. So the second rock your baby, we're going to be up here, and then we're going to go just like the beginning, only we'll come out of that with a rock your baby. We'll do it twice, because the whole, in the live performance, the whole audience sings that rock your baby right there, right along with it. And then for the final tag, we'll just hit it and hit it just the way the intro ends. Only I'll hit a whole E flat chord because I'll put the B flat in there. And I'll have the drums going. Then you can take the drums off, let that right hand ring through it, and finish it out that way. So let me show you that whole tag chorus right from the beginning of the tag chorus there. We'll get the drums going. have it, Rock Your Baby by George McCrae. I hope you enjoy playing it.